Kirani toko ya chaka kuruase kaunti ya Kisii agwase egati ya banyakonda imeye kaunti ya Kisii babere bagwakiromora umugavana be kaunti ya Kisii Paul Arati ngambia muno ase okobainyora na koba amabaga yemeremo kokwana ase gekareki babagutwara sensemo ya St Vincent nigo baterera nigo barachikokora egasi aso bwamo aso kubatrana n'umugavana be kaunti ya Kisii na nene go tuguterare chingwa na chiagati ya banyakonda bunatibanya wakanwa muri keto Mildred Momanyi norboti urwaso bwagare
ensemo y'abanyakonda be kaunti ya Kisii nigo besokire na gotogya egitambukiro ky'omugavana be kaunti ya Kisii Arati aso wesokya na kurwa emirimo y'ekipara gukyase abanyakonda asenjira y'abanyakonda oyomo asekera sub county yemanyakante buna allotment roads.
We hereby support the idea of governor of giving lots. Lots in way of construction is when you do selected tendering, whereby for you to deliver to the people of the mandate you said, to fasten the process, it's good to give allotment to the people. So we are in support of the lots, the selected way of tendering, and His Excellency has promised us that on top of the lots, he will give other tenders to the other people who are remaining.
Governor has gone ahead. Already lotment even Kura Kenaha Nabeo Koraigo. Procurement Act has aroused him to do so. Ntobugata about your those lotments and we do, and here we are. Jikatego Ntobugate Jirim Barimbari. Ntobugata about Jacabon. Yako Pare Makora Kore, Aichakan. We are capable. I say you go, a Gavana Rulego. Tabugat magos. Chigas injuro jinke jink. Gavana Tago Nyomba in enrollment way, Munavon ICD classrooms and whatever. A Chijikoba Maya.
Igo bagikere abanyakonda bamwabo abo bakoletse chikonda embeo nainde baganetiba kanwe chibesa cyabo abo ase babuli omugavana Arati kulingoli abali bonsi bakolire chikonda chikiranitse elyo banyalegwa kanwa.
Dogo tumelipwa na tunashukuru sana, aendelee kuinua wenye wako chini kucha juu na asiangalie mambo ya hewa nini wenye wanampiga vita mawe, afocus kwa kazi ile aliamua atafanyia watu wa Kisii County.
Kuona igangu akira Arati mbi yamono aso okorigie task force ekabeka chitenda chonsi ipi chirichi akore tukire genuine naende bwanchire gwakana twamusabira maya atwakane bali bande bali chipara bagoteba mbabwate amasakara atareta twase task force twabasabira maya bagende kotini ko barabwe simbo barengereri no mo MCA atotebi nyore no mochumbe tibana goteba nga CDF batari go icha si contractor ga si contractor cha Kisii na bwaba
ko bol simba nane ko motebia abaso kire isiko batari chi contractor they are not part of us ayegendere mirimo mune gavana ababatigale taji contract dali muti contract Kisii ngariba Kisii County
asichinga kecho nigo abanyakonda abo boigo bamwakira mbuya mono ase okubakana na kulia eira gucha kubwatirana nere ase engaki yae ya magenderero guchase abamenyi be kaunti ya Kisii
tomo chinga kingororo akore mirimo elinde twanjirana na tutibesa chitairana chonse paka tutenenge.
It is good to avoid politics in construction. Like those who are on the other side who are doing politics. I want to tell the people that those are politicians, those are politics. We are in business in construction. So we are in support of the governor. Governor, look of what you promised the people. Don't look at the side shows.
Governor itombu ya mono, anchirego tuwakana pending appeals, and we are supporting him thoroughly. Atuwakane elitokendereko kolega sinere.
Ulipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, ili Italiane Mildred Momanyi.